Hello everyone. Today I'm just testing some of this emergency food storage. It's called Ready Hour. And we're doing the mashed potatoes today. It was super easy to cook. 6 cups of water and bring it to almost to a boil. Then whisk in the potato flakes and let stand 1 minute. Fluff with a fork and serve. So that's kind of what I did here. Served it up to the kids and myself and the wife. And let's just hear some opinions from the kids. So, the 1-year-old, how did you like it? Is it good? Okay. From the 1-year-old. The 4-year-old, what did you think of it? Two from the younger kids. Okay, the 8-year-old. No, 9. What do you think about it? Eh. 15-year-old, what do you think about it? How old are you then?
I'm 16.
16-year-old, what do you think about it?
Not really good.
Not really good. Almost 18-year-old, what did you think about it? Be honest, this is for posterity.
The taste was and the texture was awful.
The texture was awful, okay. 14-year-old, can I have your honest opinion about the potato flakes?
It's disgusting.
It's disgusting, okay, but she's eating it. She's being a trooper. And my lovely wife, what did you think?
No, they're all right.
All right. Okay. And my professional opinion, which matters more than all theirs because I'm a professional eater. No, not really. But I am a food critic of sorts, so you've probably noticed my other videos. So, yes, I'm going to give it, as I've had potato flakes in the past, and it's not too bad. Like, it's not like regular mashed potatoes. It's got a different kind of consistency-ish, but really the flavor it was a little bit bland, but you could definitely taste like the chicken broth and stuff in there. Chicken-ish flavor. So yeah, I think it's definitely edible. And yeah, I'd give it probably about as far as, potato flakes go, probably about a 6 out of 10 taste. Definitely edible. And yeah, so that's my review on that. Hope you heard all the kids and the wife and stuff. So yeah, it stores up to 25 years and mashed potatoes. So with the chicken flavored broth, parsley flakes, and spices. So not too bad. Cooks up really quick also. So there you go, right there. So that's my review on that. We'll probably be doing some other reviews on this Ready Hour emergency food storage. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.